What can you say about our presentation?
In behalf of Koan, the group 1, they showed goodwill, but there are some
I thought
lapses.
it's a good finance.
But for me now, I would like to say thank you for Ma'am Sharon for extending her assignment. Kudali, di akin nagkuhan pa ko.
Okay, dili kami prepared ra. Okay, before we start, can you please give our yell?
Yeah, go!
Yes, ayun.
Pachada, chada.
Okay, so welcome to our child-friendly classroom. It is the story about the hand fans. The story of hand fan on a life of a teacher. So here, 3 hand-heeled fans. Once upon a time, a teacher named Mrs. Flower had 3 hand-held fans, each with its own role in her busy days. The first, Whisper, was gentle and used on calm days to keep her relaxed. The second is Zephyr, was strong and worked hard on hot days, bringing cold relief to the classroom. Kay tulo naman, hindi tulo rin. And the third is Breezy, was playful and small. Used during breaks to refresh, to refresh and recharge. Together, the fans help Mrs. Flower stay balanced. Whisper, keep her calm. Zephyr, keep her cool. And Breezy reminded her to take breaks. Each fan became an essential part of her teaching routine, symbolizing the care she needed to stay grounded and energized.